Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I am Mahfuzur Rahman, lecturer, Department of ICT. I hope you all are fine and you already updated with our regular study plan, what you have make yourself in WhatsApp group. Please maintain a regular study and please follow our study plan.
Name right now. Let's see. Can you please identify what this image want to tell you? Think something interesting. Yes, you are right. Today we will learn some knowledge from chapter 6. Very basic thing today we will learn from chapter 6. So my today's lecture, what you will learn? What is data? What is information? Difference between data and information. What is database? Advantages and disadvantages of database. And what is field and record and data table and all. So let's this. What is a data? The word data is a plural form of the Latin word datum. The datum is an item of an information. So the smaller parts of an information is called data. Like example, ABF13. Well arranged data is called information. So an example like seat A1. You see this one is sorted and arranged, so you can tell an information my seat is A1. But ABF13 you can't differentiate which one is data and which one is information. So next we have to follow difference between data and information. It's a very interesting thing to learn. Data, primarily collected and unarranged information. And information, obviously, it's well-arranged data which is easily understandable. In data, it can be used as raw material of information, and information, it is created by a process of raw materials. In data, every data is not an information, but in information, every information is data. So an example, a data and student name, role, address, it's an data, but a result sheet of an students are information. You see the difference. In result sheet of an student's information, it can show all the information what he have in a result sheet. Data are not arranged usually, but information always remain arranged so that you can find a brief information. So data cannot be used directly. Information can be used directly. You can use it anywhere. Data cannot express full meaning of anything, and information can easily express in a full context. Okay, now, so I'm going to tell you what is database. Database is the combination of two words, data and base. And database is the combination of one or more data, table or file which are manually correlated. In another way, a database is a systematic collection of data. It supports electronic storage and manipulation of data. Database make management easy. Advantages of database now. It can present direct data very fast. It can update data. Information of database can be arranged in ascending or descending order. And data arrangement can be happened in a very short time. It decreases data duplication. Data or record can be found easily. Disadvantage of database now. Implement of database is costly. Well-trained human resource have to need. And using unsafe database can hamper economic condition. Unethical use of database can ruin goodwill of institution. It also causes data hacking. In single piece of wrong data can make a data faulty. Now, data in database. What is a data in database? Which we input in several fields of data table are called data. The information which is included in these fields of the data tables is called data. Now we have a field in database. Data item of a database is called field. All elements of a record is field. The field is the base of database. The field mainly seen in a column of data table. Record in database. Several fields make a record. One record or line of a data table is introduced as record. In a record, there are several data. Difference between field and record now, we will understand it very simply. Column of a heading of a data table and record. One row or line of a data table is record. In a field, there is one type of data. In record, there are various kinds of data and several fields. From field, you cannot get full information. From a record, you can get full information. Example, name, address, phone number, etc. One new row of data of name and address or phone number, you can find a single person's full information like his name, his address or her phone number or anything you want to know. Now I am showing you a simple image to differentiate in a data table which one we will tell a field, record and a table. So this one a data table. This table consists a lot of information of a company like position, of title, educational requirements, functional areas, maximum pay, minimum pay, lot of information we'll see. So in this picture you will see I was already marked it. The executive assistant, associate degree, his educational requirement and human resources department is a functional area he works and maximum pay is 60,000 and minimum pay is 40,000. So this all a row consists a full records. You see this one represents the whole data of a single position, but you see a column it stands in stand. You see educational requirements I already boxed it. So this one is show a common field, a field. This one it's like a column of some portion of data. In some portion of data you can't sell it a full of record, but when we form a record it will obviously touch the every single columns to make a full record. You see 1,40,000 it's a data value, or we can tell it in a simple way it can be a data. So what we see in this table, every single portion of information is a data.
Question, please do it at our WhatsApp group and you can feel free to comment at my videos comment section. Again and again I want to tell you a simple thing, please stay at home for your and your family safety. Allah Hafiz, this is Mahfuzur Rahman from Milestone College ICT department.